Topic number 6, chapter number 14, geothermal energy of standard 10, subject science. So let us try to understand, analyze the concept what is geothermal energy. The word, if we divide in two parts, geo means earth or a crust and thermal means heat. So the energy which is produced through the heat of the earth, that is known as geothermal energy. Repeat. So what is geothermal energy? The energy which is produced through the earth's crust, that is known as geothermal energy. So now let us have the detail about this topic. So due to geological changes, molten rocks, which is known as lava, right, formed in the deeper hot regions of earth's crust, are pushed upwards and trapped in certain regions called hot spots. So now what are the hot spots? Hot spots are nothing but it's due to geological changes. Certain molten rocks known as lava, right, they are formed in the deeper hot regions of earth, are pushed upward and they are trapped in certain regions. Those spots are called hot spots, right? When underground water directly comes in contact with such type of hot spot, then definitely this water will be heated and steam will be generated, right? And hot water from that region finds sometimes outlets at the surface of the earth, and such outlets where steam is coming, water is get heated. Such outlets are known as hot springs, right? So there are two different terms, hot spots and hot springs. So what are hot spots? Hot spots are those certain spots where the lava has somewhat come upward in direction and it has been trapped under the molten rocks, under the rocks. So they are quite heated, right? Now what are hot springs? If by chance water comes in contact with this hot type of the molten rocks, right, then it will get converted into steam, and this type of steam used to heat the water on the surface of the earth. They sometimes used to come out of the earth surface, that is known as hot springs. And the steam trapped in rocks is routed through a pipe. Now how to harness this energy? The steam which is trapped in the rocks due to this heat energy is routed through a pipe to a turbine, and it is used to generate electricity, right? This steam is routed through a pipe to rotate the turbine, and turbine will produce electricity. The cost of production would not be much high because it is free in the nature, but commercially exploitable, commercially economically viable spots are very less because you will rarely find such sites. However, there are certain places in New Zealand and United States of America where it is easy to find such type of hot springs. See, this is the geological map of the whole world. You can find that the western side of whole North and South America is having many sites. Certain sites in Africa and Europe are also there, whereas in India it is hardly at few points, that's true in the Himalayan range. Even when the Geological Survey of India, that is GSI, this is government body which is responsible for certain works related to geology, has identified more than 350 geothermal energy locations in the country. But the most promising of this is Puga Valley in Ladakh. This is the point of GK. This is the question of GK that you should remember. What is the Puga Valley of Ladakh, or why the Puga Valley of Ladakh is well known for? It is a most promising geothermal location from where we can economically harness the geothermal energy. So you'll find this type of location in hot spring. Steam will be coming out of Earth's crust. You may wonder, Rutva definitely wonders how this happens. Now it is very clear to Rutva as well as you that it's nothing else but the water trapped under the rocks, nearby the rocks which are very hot in the nature, known as hot spots. They just heat the steam, and this steam, when find a way to come out, just come like this, and this is nothing but a steam. And these are the plants. Commercially exploitation of this steam energy, this hot spring is something like this. And at many spots in India, you'll find that certain places we find that the pond used to be hot in nature. The water in a pond sometimes used to be very hot in the nature. People used to wonder, how is this possible? They're just 2 kilometers away, there is very cold water, and just in pond the water is quite heated. There is nothing magic, but the underneath rocks are quite hot. They are directly in contact with the lava due to certain leakages. And if water body used to have contact with this type of heated rocks, then it becomes hot spring. For more videos, stay tuned to our channel Free Education by RKS. Thank you.